Good morning, Honor Chem students. Mrs. Snyder here. Happy Monday. Gosh, we're already at May 11th. Time is going quick. Just want to do a really quick little daily message here, let you know what's going on for this week. We're starting a new unit, chapter 12 and 13. It's going to be a short unit. As you can see, our test will be on May 19th. And there's going to be some information about that exam here that you're going to hear about or read about in the daily message. But I just want you guys to go through the daily message again. Uber important that you guys are taking your attendance right away when you guys log in. That way you make sure that it's done by 3:30. I am almost done with the free response portion of the test. Hopefully, I will get that back to you guys very soon. I just want to talk to Ms. Herring on what date we want to post that. I think it will be very soon. For the most part, people have done very well. You also know that I put in your multiple choice portion on campus. So today we are going to go and learn about solutions and solubilities. So your main learning is going to happen in here. What I do want to highlight to you guys is that you're going to watch these two videos and then you're asked to do a quick flip grid. So I'm looking forward to this, actually, to seeing your faces, and this is really like a no stress kind of thing. This will be for homework points on the flip grid as well. You will log in with Google using your school email account, and then you will notice there is a plus sign there that you will just click on that and then follow through the prompts, and it's just asking for some of your feedback on what you thought after you watched those videos. And then there are two learning videos that I had done. You will be taking the daily quiz, even though I don't have that in here yet. I will have that in there. So that is the work for today. After the daily quiz, there is a gizmo lab that is due by 11:59 this evening. So there is no really worksheet for this lesson, but it's just the daily homework quiz, and then you should be able to complete the gizmo lab by 11:59. I also put the learning targets here. They are updated because there are some things that we crossed out. You know, this is May, the weather's starting to get nice. We just have to stay focused. That's my message to you guys. I miss you all. I look forward to seeing your faces today in the flip grid. And as always, I'm always here. If you have a question, please reach out. Have a great day. Have a great week. See you guys soon, hopefully. Bye.